Welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys sound and vibration settings Samsung mobile. So in this video friends we will talk about guys how can we disable vibrate mode in our Samsung phone. Friends you want to disable your vibrate mode settings, so how can you disable? In this video friends I will show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So you open your phone setting to disable your vibrate mode setting. Then guys scroll friends, you can see sound and vibration friends, tap here. Friends you can see guys your sound mode setting guys, mute guys, you want to enable mute option. Friends you want to enable the sound mode setting, so you can enable from here. And then how can you disable your vibrate mode setting, and this icon guys how can you remove on your screen. So and first of all guys click on your sound mode setting guys, your vibrate mode will disable in your Samsung mobile, and get this vibrate mode icon remove on your status bar screen. So like that guys your vibrate mode will disable, your phone will not vibrate. So like that guys you can disable your vibrate mode. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye friends.